Hello, and welcome to the Thermo Scientific Connect Edge demo. In this video, we'll review the Connect Edge hardware. The first item you see here is the gateway. Next, you have the adapter, an Ethernet cable, a power adapter, and power plugs for different countries. This is the optional DIN rail mount, and here are two Wi-Fi antennas. If a terminal block is connected over the power connector, use a small screwdriver to remove it. Then connect the power cord that was supplied with your system. The gateway power indicator should light. This process can take 10 or more minutes. For an internet connection, connect an Ethernet cable from the Ethernet 1 port to your local network. The status 3 light should blink and eventually turn solid when the internet connection is active. The Connect Edge system hardware is now set up and ready for commissioning. If you need additional help, visit www.thermofisher.com/contact us.